Hi there, this is Derivative 5 Examples, and well, I'm going to walk you through some quotient rule type examples. So let's develop our own little system here, just like we did with the product rule. First we'll have the problem, then the infamous breakdown, and then we'll end it with the solution. I don't think I'll need to draw this out so much, but we'll hope not. Y equals e to the x over x squared. That is a similar problem to what we had beforehand, so I just wanted to walk us through the quotient technique of doing that. F equals e to the x, f prime equals e to the x, g equals x squared, g prime equals 2x, right? So we put it through the quotient rule. That'll be x squared e to the x minus e to the x times 2x all over g squared, which is x squared squared. The solution of this is x minus 2 e to the x all over x cubed. Let's bring it over to another problem. E to the x over 1 plus x. Well, same systematic breakdown. Same as before. G equals 1 plus x. Therefore, g prime is equal to 1. So, same breakdown. Same as before. All it is, 1 plus x e to the x minus e to the x times that 1 over 1 plus x squared. I really don't want to do it. This is what I'm going to call some algebra time. I'm going to call it AT. Okay? Algebra time. So anyway, we're going to continue on, skip the algebra, save us some time. T to the, y equals 2x all over 4 plus, let's say, x squared. Well, same thing. F equals 2x, f prime equals 2, g equals 4 plus x squared, g prime equals 2x. Same breakdown, right? Well, let's break it down even. Let's plug it into the quotient rule. X squared times 2 minus 2t or 2x, times 2x all over 4 plus x squared all squared. Once again, some more algebra time. You just got to simplify that out yourself. Let's continue on. So y equals 3x minus 1 all over 2x plus 1. Right? Well, same breakdown, right? Same breakdown as before. It almost becomes like a hassle to write this out, and you'll actually get to that point once you get enough practice in this, is you won't want to write it out, so you're just going to learn how to do it real quick in your head and just plug it in. Now make sure you don't make mistakes when you do that, but you'll find this a little tiresome, especially after you do homework or after you do a few hundred problems. I mean, you'll conk out. So 2x plus 1 squared. Once again, we're talking algebra time. What's a unique problem? Let's do one more simple problem. T squared plus t all over t to the 4th minus 2. Sure. I don't know why I used t, it just felt like using t this time around. T cubed plus t, so f prime is 3t squared plus 1. G is t to the 4th minus 2, which g prime is going to equal 4t cubed. So don't even feel intimidated by these kind of problems. You know, you just kind of, you break it up and you spread it apart and plug it in. That's all you do. So I have 2 plus 1 minus the quantity of t3 plus t, and this would be 4t cubed all over g squared, which is going to be t 4th minus 2 squared. Algebra time. Algebra time. Alright, let's do one more problem, why not? Y equals the square root of x minus 1 over the square root of x plus 1. Now, don't be surprised if you see a problem like this. It will happen often, because it almost seems like you could do something algebraically to simplify and give yourself an easy life, but it always turns out that you have to do something either kind of odd, like you'd have to multiply the bottom by the top and things like that. I mean, you could do that, or you could just punch through it with the quotient rule. The idea is that they're going to want you to punch through the quotient rule, so you just give them what they want, and, you know, do your system. It's not too hard. That's all you got to do. You just got to show them, hey, this is easy. So 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 g prime is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. Notice the addition or subtraction of 1 made no difference to the derivative portion. So anyway, you're going in now, so you just plug on in. So x 1/2 plus 1 times 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 minus x 1/2 minus 1, once again 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, all over what I would call g squared, which is x 1/2, that's the plus 1 over, or squared. So once again, the system makes it easy, you know. So to be honest, I'm going to say right here is where about 90% of your errors will occur in this section. When you are simplifying, you will think, oh yeah, 2x plus x squared, that's 3x. Like, you're going to just make some stupid error, and you're going to be angry about it, and you're going to miss 20% of your grade because you did some simple mathematic error, and your teacher's going to be unreasonable about it. So don't stress out about it. Just be calm in doing the calculus. That way you're not going to be rushed when you're doing the algebra. That's the key. If you're comfortable doing the calculus, you won't be rushed doing the algebra. That's the most important thing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. This stuff's pretty straightforward.